It's your girl. So today we're gonna be playing with slime. This is clay right now. I just added like stuff into it. This is clay, yeah. I don't know why, but I added food coloring and beads in it and glitter. So this is Daiso clay. Oh. So this is Daiso clay. I wish I could show y'all like the package, but it's upstairs and I'm not trying to go get it from upstairs. So tell me why my hand feels so sticky, dude. What the heck is on me? Look at this. This is like all from the Daiso clay. I wish you guys could see, but it's like little white stuff on me, and it sticks. It's like makes my hand feel weird. So let's go ahead and add some slime into it and see how that's gonna turn out. You see, and it even stays on the table. So like right away it got sticky. That's what I like about, oh, whoops. Right away it got stretchy, so that's what I like about Daiso clay. And the color looks pretty, honestly. That's what I love about Daiso clay. Other than the fact that something is sticking on me and I don't know what that is. And it's not coming off of me. Like, I'm trying to take it off of me, but it's not. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. But like not specifically 9. Oh. Yeah. Ugh, that touched my mouth. Guys, I'm gonna take this off real quick because I feel like I'm on. It's a Rolex, see? Wait, can you guys even see? Oh yeah, it's right there. Dude, I wish this stupid thing could focus. Dude, can you guys like see that? Let me sorry. Hang on, let me try zooming in. Rolex, yeah. And I love those Rolex watches because like they're so comfy to wear and they're so easy to put on. But this shirt makes me look fat. Hi, Baba. Guys, saw a YouTube video. Good hi. Oh yeah, Mom. I got to say shout out. Tell me that you're still alive. قاعد سويها لإلك. قاعد سوي شعرها لإلك. Dude, a bead fell on me. Oh, it just fell on the ground now, so I'm not gonna go pick it up. Okay. Iraq, just because your phone gets taken away doesn't mean ours has to. Dang. عنا. هسه راح اسويه. هسه ماما هسه راح اسويه. بس خليني اخلص. Okay. Bye.